All right, let go. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Today in science class, we're doing an engineering project, which means we are building something to solve a problem. And today the problem is neutral buoyancy.
Today in science class, we are working on a lab and we're trying to make our cork not to float, not to sink, but to be in the middle. So if our cork floats, we need to add more weight, and if it sinks, we need to remove the weight.
Now that looks interesting. I wonder. Oh, is that going to work? Oh, I'm saying that works.
Woo!
The students were given a submersible body to work with. It can be filled with air, which is less dense than water, or a number of different items that I've given them that are heavier, and they have a piece of cork to also add buoyancy to it. So they're trying to find a good sweet spot with all of that. I'm seeing a lot of engagement right from the outset. A couple of groups have solved the problem within a reasonable amount of time, and that's kind of given incentive to the others that yes, it's a solvable problem, and they're all working to get to that point.
I love coming to science class because it's fun, exciting, and we experiment on many things.
I enjoy what I'm doing because teaching science is something that's near and dear to me. I was a career scientist before becoming a teacher, and I wanted to share my enjoyment with science with my students.